Hi friends, we are going to learn about object-oriented programming. So what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm where the complete software operates as a bunch of objects talking to each other. So there will be a bunch of objects, then they will talk to each other through functions and all. So the main advantage of OOP is to better manageable code, and that covers following two things. The overall understanding of the software is increased as the distance between the language spoken by developers and the spoken by users. Okay, and then object orientation increases maintenance by the use of encapsulation. One can easily change the underlying representation of the by the following methods. Okay, and then the main features is encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is nothing but data hiding. Data hiding can be achieved through private and protected members in C++. It's nothing but we have to hide the data in the classes and objects. In If we hide the data in classes, it obviously hide the data in objects. So the data from one object can't be accessed by the other object. So we have to restrict the access to only particular objects. So encapsulation means like we have to encapsulate the data members and data functions together. The meaning itself is like this: encapsulate something like data members and data functions. We have to encapsulate it together to the function, like in an object. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is nothing but poly means many and morph means forms. Polymorphism many forms. So object or operations or code behaves differently in different contexts. In C++, there are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. What is compile time polymorphism is like it's like operator overloading, function overloading, default parameters like function overloading. For example, function overloading, we have to create the same name of the function and with different parameters. The compiler will call the polymorphic functions by itself at compile time. This is called function overloading. And then runtime polymorphism is like operator overloading. For example, overriding. For example, if we have same named function in both base class and children class, it will the function call is called, then the function will be called according to the class in which we have declared as virtual in C++. And then inheritance is nothing but a class is based on other class and uses its data and implementation of the other class. The purpose of inheritance is code reuse. And then abstraction is nothing but we have to hide the implementation and shows the only function. We suppose example max function, it will gives the maximum of two numbers or something in an array and will hide the implementation inside, and we will work on the only the max function. So it is nothing but hiding the implementation, and we are giving only the purpose and usage of it. So if you like the video, please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.